Bafana Bafana head coach has confirmed his final squad for the 2025 African Cup of Nations in Morocco. Hugo Broos has called 25 players to his AFCON squad, which he hopes he can shock the continent and win the African Cup of Nations for the first time in 29 years. Bafana Bafana has been drawn in a very tricky group, Group C, which has Angola, Egypt, and Zimbabwe. So let me hear your thoughts. Do you think that Bafana Bafana will be able to progress from the group stage? So here are the players that Hugo Broos has called for his squad. Ronwen Williams, Ricardo Goss, Sipho Chain, Khudiso Mudau, Thabang Matiludi, Tylon Smith, Kosinathi Sibisi, Aubrey Mudiba, Khulumani Ndamane, Siyabonga Ngezana, Samkelo Kabini, Bekezeli Mbokazi, Teboho Mokoena, Bathusi Obas, Talente Mbatha, Siphephelo Sithole, Mohau Nkotha, Tshepang Moremi, Evidence Mahopa, Lyle Foster, Sipho Mbule, Elias Mukwana, Shandre Campbell, and Relebohile Mofokeng. He has called 3 players on his standby list. It's Mduduzi Shabalala, Ikram Reyners, and Thabo Moloisane. Here is his reasoning when it comes to not taking 28 players to AFCON. He says, I don't want to take them with me and have 28 players every day on training. It's not easy to work with that. So we will ask them to stay in shape to train, not as usual, but to keep in good condition. So that's his explanation for putting 3 players on the standby list. There's some notable absentees like the likes of Themba Zwane, Hesitau, and Tito Maswangane, including the on-form Thembinkosi Lorch. Excluded player from this final squad are Masindi Nemtanjera, Patrick Maswangane, Kamohelo Sibilibili, Maluba Ngokhoza, Fawaz Basedin, Thapelo Morena, Brakely Cross, Thabiso Monyani, Brandon Peterson, and Keletso Mahaulo. So let me hear your thoughts. Do you think that this is a squad that's good enough to win the AFCON? Let me hear your thoughts down in the comment section. That's the end of the news for today. Thank you and see you next time.